All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Giannis pick 2. This is number 3. So we'll check the time, February 20th at 9:34 p.m. Going to go over to the main and type live. And we have February 20th at 9:34 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Nathan. Spot 1 is your winner. So Nathan, please message me to collect your or pick your Giannis's. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, February 20th, 9:35 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.